On our opening day, I'll never forget, I mean, there was hundreds of people, if not thousands here. And it was just phenomenal because, again, when you're working on these projects as good as you think, as well as you think you've done, there's no guarantees. And I think that opening day was just such an amazing feeling that I'll never forget.
When we first opened, that opening day was so busy and so wonderful that we brought 15 homemade pound cakes. And within 15 to 30 minutes, we were out.
The day of, we opened on May 31st, 2014. There's one photograph of me that a friend of mine took where it's just me with my head down, and there were thousands of people here, and the whole thing is a glorious blur.
Shaheen gave us the opportunity to join his vision. At that time was very unprecedented.
One of the things that I think really made and continues to make this place special is we all can shine with our own colors and our own lights as a collective. The sense of community makes us really special here.
It's pretty important for us to be located here in Anaheim because we can show our diversity with all of the other cultures that are represented here.
Most all of our tenants are still doing fantastic. Many of them have grown into these other areas locally.
And I think that's really what brings people together around food, but it's the act of sitting together and sharing something.
I think the success of this project is the fact that it's really a multi-layer experience. I think it's really designed to bring people together, bring families together. It's a celebration here all the time. We've layered in music, which is a big part of our presentation, so it's just not about food, it's also about entertainment. We also do educational programs. We do yoga in the park. So I think the idea of having these multitude of local experiences that complement the food has really been a big part of the success, and the fact that 10 years in, we're still very successful and we're still connected to the community and we're still feeling the love and the support.
We took a leap of faith with them, and we're here 10 years later.
Yeah, it's been 10 years.